porch light here. Now it's that special time of year where you basically start finding your fruit. Now, here's a real quick video about a lesson that I'm learning. Now, every now and again, you patrol your area and then you just come up on some fruit. Like so. And then you're like, I'll get that tomorrow. Oh, I'll get that the next day. But then you come back and you can't find it. I had a tomato plant right in the middle of here. And now I can't find a plant or the tomato on it. Now, obviously, when it get ready, oh, there you go, y'all. There it goes. So I'm about to pull that. Because I got it leaning over. But I got you. Oh, there's a bug on it too, I think. Pluck this guy off. There we go. So yeah. Today's pro tip is when you see some fruit and it's big enough for you to eat, go ahead and grab it. Because now you're dealing with pest pressure. And you don't even know what's going to be out there when you really need it. Now, the one thing that I advocate now that I didn't necessarily advocate before is leave your beans on till they turn black. Yeah, that's real black. The reason why, because basically that means they dried up inside. You can just take them out, put them in a jar, and use them when you need them. Now, I used to go ahead and take them off the vine when they were more like, let's show you an example. This, take them out and freeze them. And it's gotten to the point now where I really don't find that to be a very productive way of doing stuff, because dry beans last indefinitely. If your freezer broke, there you go. So, with all that being said, y'all, get your stuff while you can. Again, sometimes you want some real ultra sweet stuff, you can leave a couple of them on there. You know what I mean? But for the most part, get it before it's gone. Porch light out.